Right, 11:07 AM, Solar Eclipse 2021. That's 50 times zoom on the moon with a special solar filter over my camcorder screen. So that's the moon passing in front of the sun, basically. And this is close to the maximum. It's only a few more minutes and then it will actually start getting smaller in front of the sun. Let's go for a little bit more zoom. That is 74 times. And that is 90 times zoom. So the moon's taking a bite out of the sun. Go back to 49 times zoom. Right, hope you've enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.